This Quran, we call it the Quran. It has become a proper noun. I told you. But basically, it is written on a piece of paper. Is a book. Al-Kitab means the book. When I read the ayats of this book, is the Quran. If anybody has got any book, like for example this Bible is also a book. If I read the Bible in Arabic, it will be Quran. You must understand. Quran, Iqra, read. So Arabs know this. Arabs, whether he's a Muslim or a Christian or a Jew Arab, know this. The Quran means reading. Reading of what? If you're reading the Bible, you are doing qira'ah of the Bible. You're reading the Bible. If you're reading this Kitab of Allah, the book of Allah, Al-Kitab of Allah, you're reading the Quran, the book of Allah, the reading. So we must know the difference. This is how it goes on. Surah Yunus 10 and Ayah 37. وَمَا كَانَ هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ أَنْ يُفْتَرَ مِنْ دُونِ اللَّهِ وَلَكِنْ تَصْدِيقَ الَّذِي بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ وَتَفْصِيلَ الْكِتَابِ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ مِنْ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. And this Al-Quran, that is the reading, is not that can be produced from other than Allah, but it is a confirmation that is between his two hands, an explanation of Al-Kitab, the book. There is no doubt in it from the Lord of the worlds. Now, if you look at the ayah in the Arabic, you will see those two words. وَمَا كَانَ هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ. You see the word the Quran in the Arabic? Right? You can see this Arabic, the Quran. And further it says, وَتَفْصِيلَ الْكِتَابِ. The Kitab word. In one ayah, in the very same one ayah, you see the two words, Al-Quran and Al-Kitab in Arabic. So what we understand, look at the ayat. وَمَا كَانَ هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ. And this Quran, the reading, that what I am reading is from the book, the written one in front of you. The book that you hold in your hand is the book, the written one. So Allah says, and this Quran, the reading, is not that can be produced from other than Allah, but it is a confirmation that is between his two hands. What I am reading is Quran, and what you are confirming is in your two hands, between his two hands. So anyone can, when he confirms, the book is given to you for you to confirm what I am reading is from this book or not. So you're reading it and it says it's a confirmation between his two hands and explanation of the book, the written one. And to understand this is very simple to understand. In any school, from the childhood, you have been given booklets or books have been provided to you. The teacher reads the same book and explains to you the book that is written already. And that when the examination comes near to you, he questions you and he expects you to answer near to the textbook already that was there given to you before. So any book cannot be understood until unless you read the book. If I've got library of books in my house and they're lying down in my house, it doesn't give me any benefit. When I read the book, then I understand that book. So any reading of any book is an explanation. Reading itself becomes an explanation of the book. Reading of a book becomes an explanation of that book. Then you understand. So Allah is not saying unusual things. He's saying very simple. وَمَا كَانَ هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ. And this Quran is not. And يُفْتَرَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ is not that can be produced from other than Allah. وَلَكِنْ تَصْدِيقَ الَّذِي بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ. And it is a confirmation or verification between his two hands. وَتَفْصِيلَ الْكِتَابِ. An explanation of the book. لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ مِنْ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. And there is no doubt it's coming from the Lord of the worlds. So means Quran, the readings is the confirmation of Al-Kitab, the written one. So this book I hold in my hand is the book. When I read it, the understanding come to me, it becomes the explanation and a confirmation of the book. So this is how these two words is the same and it's a similar difference. So the book is in front of you is the book, and what I read is the Quran. That's the difference, but it is the same. You can check it up and you can verify. So Quran, the reading becomes the verification and explanation of the written one, the book.